Hello, this is Cameron doing an update video on trade line postings and giving more information about credit building and building up CPNs. This is a particular CPN we did for a client here a few months ago. Her results were, she got two trade lines, very good results here, two good scores here. Let's break down what she got. She got two accounts. Average age is 3.7 months. This particular profile, she wanted to get a car, and it did work. She got a car. She got two good trade lines. Got one here was a 10,000, 6 years old. For cars, you want to have older trade lines. 4 to 5 years is good. Let's see here. Perfect pay history. Authorized user. Let's go over this. The other trade line she had was here. TD Bank. 6,000, 1 year, 3 months. Perfect pay history. Authorized user. So she did very well. She got these two trade lines, a great score. She ended up getting actually a Range Rover. She had got a good deal. And I'll explain that a little bit later on. In the meantime, I'm gonna go over this profile here. Let's go to the main page here. So here we go. Here's a breakdown. Let's see. Let's do Equifax. So we made the profile back in July. The first one hit July 19th. It jumped up. The second one hit. Let's see. I guess right here, the other one. So 753 and then 764. And we're down a little bit because she has some inquiries, but her peak was 764. I believe on her other profile, it is still there actually. Let's see. Yep, 765. So he has great credit. She got a car. Again, you want to make sure you have a clean CPN number, tri-merge. All the numbers are SafeScan and LexisNexis safe. You know, protecting you and ensuring that it's a good number. We want to make sure you have a good number so as not to encounter fraud and ensure the security for yourself as well as getting the credit you demand or credit you want to qualify for. It's just two inquiries. Again, average age 3.7 months. So that's what she did. She went, which I mean, I learned about this through my clients. She went to a company called Fair. Now, Fair is I'm assuming relatively new. It's actually an app on her phone. She bought it on her phone. So again, it's amazed me. She bought the Evo $40,000 car with two trade lines. So she put $2,500 down. So it's really but I've heard about another client mentioned Fair to me about a month ago. I didn't really think much of it. And then I got a second client who told me about Fair as well. This is recently. And she got the Range Rover. It's an Evoque, $40,000 Evoque. She put $2,500 down, but it does work. So if you're not comfortable going into a dealership, now you can go on a phone app. Oddly enough, though, she got the car and she applied for credit one and got turned down. I mean, it's amazing how these CPNs work. CPN is not really an exact science, you know. Sometimes you get approved, sometimes you don't get approved. But as long as you build it up properly, you wait the time, you know, a few months, you begin getting credit. It just takes time. She did tell me she put down 120,000 on an application, which seemed kind of high for credit one. That might have been the reason why. I don't know, but again, I just never know with these CPNs. But she did get a car delivered to her front door. I mean, it's amazing. Amazed me anyway. So for more information, about how to, about our trade lines, how we build our CPNs, call me. My name's Cameron, 202-213-2218. Again, we're doing the credit suite programs, the business. We have a great business loan for business owners. 4-day turnaround. We get you money based on bank statements. Also, we're now trying to find card holders that want to sell their credit cards. We're in the process now of building up our inventory of credit cards. So if you're somebody that has credit cards with zero to low balance, and you want to sell them, give me a call. We can help you make some money. It could even be a starter trade line, such as a capital one for $500 with a zero balance. We can pay you on it. Even 8 months old, a year old, $500 balance. I'm sorry, $500 credit limit. We can still, put some money in your pocket and promote those lines for you. So that's all for now. If any questions, call me, Cameron, 202-213-2218. Be sure and subscribe to our channel. We try and do a video every 2 weeks, if not once a week, to give you updates and more content on CPNs, trade lines, and credit. Hit the bell. That way you'll get the update. As soon as the video is released, you'll get the update. I will put links below for Fair. Well, Fair is a phone app, so you can just go on the phone app and get the Fair. But I'll put a link below for our website. Also, we have a new website, a trade line website for those that want to build up a social. We have a lot over 800 trade lines on our new website for social security numbers. So you want to boost up your regular social. We have some over 30 years old that can really boost up your profile. Keep in mind, you don't want to add trade lines if you have poor credit. You don't add trade lines to bad credit. You want to fix your credit first, then add the trade lines. That's a tip for today. Anyway, signing off, Cameron. Have a good day.